Hello ladies and gentlemen, in case you missed part 1, here are some still shots from part 1 of this video. I'm going to include a link in the description to part 1 of this video, and these 3 first images are obviously from part 1, and now I'm going to introduce you guys to part 2. So you guys remember that exempt railroad crossing sign that was covered by a bush? That's it right there. And I'm going to be walking eastbound from Zapadilla Avenue. Walk along up to Rosemary Avenue, and there you can see there's a rail out of place. Here's a close-up on it. This will be my end point in this video. So now on to part 2. Dun, dun, dun. So this is part 2 of the abandoned railroad, guys. Here you can see the exempt sign and the crossbuck. There. Shit. Okay. And then over here I found a rail. There it is, you see it? There. Maybe this was a loading dock. Oh yeah, there it is. There's a rail right there. I know that on my way here, you can see there was a rail sticking out from the avenue. Oh, there it is. I can see it. Okay. There it is, right on top of where the crossing used to be, the foundation for the cantilever. And then on that side, we don't see anything. There's even the pavement markings are gone.